buy from today's live, a red coochie, super beautiful, guys. The color is amazing. Check out the top handle. The top handle, there's no cracking, no scratching. There's one little stain exactly where my finger points at here. Not big, very, very small, but just want you to know it's there. Discount for 82. Let's put the best discount. Let's put the best of the best discount on 82. This one over here, the outside part is very, very nicely. We sold one of this in previous live. This one today is in a very big discount because the inside is a little stained. Please note that part. We put this one, the price